Hi traders, this is Shane from equity3.com bringing you a video today on pin or Pinocchio bars, which are a particular bar that I use in my trading. Now, what a pin or Pinocchio bar, what it is, it's the name was given to a bar by a gentleman called Martin Pring. He was a technical analyst and he wrote a book called Pring on Price Patterns. It's a great technical book on trading the markets and how to read charts, and I would highly recommend that book from Martin Pring, Pring and Price Patterns, if you're looking to learn more about how patterns work within the financial markets. However, this particular video is to discuss the pin bar. Here's one here we have in the middle of our screen. What a pin bar is, it has an open and close towards one end of the bar, nearly the top third, and then you will have a long, what they call this is a long nose pointing away, and generally you will trade in the opposite direction of where the nose is pointing. So in this case we would trade long, or put a buy stop above the bar, let's say 6 to 10 pips above the bar, and have your stop loss below the bar. So you'd be looking to trade a pin bar this shape, upwards, because the tail is pointing away, or the nose is pointing away, away from the direction where we thought that the price was moving. So price was moving down. The nose, when this opened, the price did continue moving down, but a lot of buying pressure came back into the market and moved it up. Now these bars are great at extremes. So you've got a move down. This is an extreme, and then we've got a reversal here. Here's another pin bar here, which is the opposite way. The open and close are towards the bottom of the bar, and the nose is sticking away from the price which is around it. And the way you would trade this bar is the opposite direction. So you put a sell stop order below the bar and leave your stop loss above the bar, and you can see huge moves here. Now this particular chart we're looking at is a daily chart of the US dollar, Singapore dollar. So each bar represents one day of information. So you can check your charts. If you're in Ireland, the UK, you're looking at GMT time of 10 p.m., which correlates with the US close, which is 5 p.m. Eastern time. So 10 p.m. in the evening, you can look at your chart and see which bars have formed, and decide whether or not to take trades. But pin bars are great at signifying a reversal in trend, and we can see that from this pin bar here we had a huge move up. This pin bar here with a huge move down. Here's another pin bar here I identified. The open and close are towards the top of the bar, or the bottom of the bar in this case, but at one end of the bar, ideally in the top third, with the tail pointing away from price around it. So this bar would be traded with a sell stop below the bar, with your stop loss above, looking for a move down, and that's definitely what happened here. So let's see, we've got other examples. I marked a few more examples on this particular chart here. Just let me see now. Yeah. Okay, let's just zoom out 1 second. Yeah, so here's a pin bar I was showing, move up. This pin bar, break, we're going to move down. It's important to always trade on a break of the bar, not on the close. Always wait for the break, because sometimes they may not work. Nothing will always work, obviously. This bar here could be a pin bar, not a great example, but I prefer this open and close towards a bit higher on the bar. But it did have a huge move from that particular bar, and definitely there are bars to look out for on your charts when you're trading, to make sure that that you're taking all the opportunities that exist, and that are out there in the markets. But here's another pin bar here. You can see the open and close top of the bar. The nose is pointing away, so we trade in the opposite direction of where the nose is pointing. So we put a buy stop above, and we got a nice move up there as well. So keep an eye out for these particular bars, pin bars or Pinocchio bars. And I'd recommend having a look at Martin Pring's book, Pring and Bring on Price Patterns is the name of it. You can get it on Amazon.com. It's a great book for on technical analysis if you're looking to do some further study on this. And hope you enjoyed the video today. If you want to check out more of my videos, you can see them on YouTube under Equity 3 Trading. That's the channel. Alternatively, you can go to my website equity3.com, and some more information there to help you with your trading, completely free of charge. Okay, so have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please post your comments, and talk soon. Bye bye.